It was late at night when the three children from foster care came to our home. They came from an environment, their home, that had no running water, no heat, no air, no plumbing, no food, no electricity. They came from a home where you could not see the floor because there was so much feces covering the floor. The beds they slept in were covered in feces as well. When they came to our home, they were afraid, they were in fear, they were full of anxiety. The only thing they had with them were the clothes on their back, which were stapled together, and we had to dispose of those clothes because they were contaminated with feces. My wife's and my heart went out to these children, perhaps more than others, and we grew to love them like their own because that's what they needed the most. They needed our love. We even considered the possibility of adopting them. One day when I was at work, I received a phone call telling me that they had gone to move to live with relatives in another state. The worst part, I never got to say goodbye. I never got to say goodbye. Never got to say goodbye to these children. These children who I had taken in my home, taken into my family, to become my family, and I had loved them with all that I had. Never got to say goodbye. Do foster parents experience feelings of loss and grief? Yes. Yes, we do. When these children leave our home, we experience feelings of loss and grief, and it is normal to do that. Society will tell us that it is not normal, that they are not our children, but we know, as foster parents, that when they come into our home, they come into our family, and we give them all the love that we can give them. When a child leaves your home, it is normal to experience those feelings of loss and grief. For Foster Care 101, I'm Dr. John DeGarmo.